How we doing, guys? Time for video number 2 of the Turkish get up. This video is going to go from the tall sit position where we ended last time. We're going to go through the windshield wiper to the low sweep, and where we come up to the tall sit, or I'm sorry, the half kneel position, half window. So for this video, I'm going to use the wall. My hand is on the wall. All right. We talked about ending in the tall sit last time. So what I'm going to do on this one is, once I get to this tall sit position, my leg is going to kind of windshield wiper in. And what I want you to notice is the angle. So my heel, my shin, and my knee are all parallel to the wall. And you can kind of skip through this part or do it simultaneously with the low sweep once you get proficient with it. But when you first start, I want you just to kind of take the leg from the tall sit. I want you to windshield wiper it in and notice the angle. Okay? You're going to push through your foot and your hand, and I'm going to drag it straight back. And the wall is a teaching tool, and that your ending position should have your heel, your shin, your knee, and your hand all on the wall, and they should all be in alignment. Okay? This is where I want to end. So I'm going to sit back out here. So again, my hand on the wall, windshield wiper, low sweep, everything comes through, my heel, my shin, and my knee point right to my hand. Now from here, all I do is I shift my weight back into that hinge position, and I take the weight off my hand. And then I'm able to get into this tall hip flexor stretch right here. You'll notice my angle, my knee points one way, the other knee points 90 or 45 degrees, like I did 90 degree, difference from here, okay? Maybe it's 45, I don't know angles. Anyway, so here we are. This is where we're gonna stay with the kettlebell, and from here I have to slide away from the wall. I'm at 90s. The transition is either the back knee shifts into the lunge, or, which is much easier on a rougher surface like this, I take the front leg and I step it over so I'm not grinding my knee in the floor. Either way, my toe is bent as I come up into the tall stand position. You can still see me. And then from here, as I come back down, I'm going to dig the ball of my foot into the floor, make sure I'm in a stable base, slowly bring myself down. And then what I need to do is I need to open it back up. So I'm at 90s. Because then I can use this hinge pattern to be able to control my hip movement. My hand comes straight up from my knee, shift the weight back over, and I should be, again, in alignment, just like when I was coming up. Okay, so from here, we start windshield wiper, the low sweep all the way through. My heel, my shin, my knee all point to my hand. I'm good there. Hinge back, sit up, step over, toes curl, stand up, bring it back down. Make sure I got a nice solid, strong base. Bring it back down. Open it back up, hinge back, hand comes straight out from the leg. Yes, I use my leg as a guide all the time. Move, sit, and then you can continue down through the rest of the get up. All right, hope that helps, guys. Next time.